This is Dk. Challenge accepted. Rap God, rap God. I'm gonna get this one chance. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Let's go.
I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, not back, not. Now who think their arms are long enough to slap bug, slap bug? They say rap like a robot, so call me rap bug. But for me to rap like a computer must be my gene. I got a laptop in my back pocket, I'm fabric off and I have cocky. Get a fat nut from that rap profit, made a living getting off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was enough, it's been my living skiffing nine. It's not like I'm an MC till it's honest, but it's true that this in the show hill. Tell about skillaholic, this hippity hip hop. You don't really wanna get into it. With the rap back in the Mac, in the back of the air, backpack, rap crack, yeah, get the yeah. Now they the same time, I them this lyric, I could best down what I'm practicing there. I was be able to break motherfucking tables with the back of the cop, that peg, and the guy perhaps. Only realized it was ironic, I was signed to aftermath after the fact. How could it not blow out of this drop F-bomb? Female rap with black rappers are having a rough time period. Has some maxi pad, it's actually disastrous and bad. For the wet one masterful constructing this masterpiece, yeah. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, not back, not. Now who think their arms are long enough to slap bug, slap bug? Let me show you maintaining this shit ain't that hard, that hard. Everybody with a keen to say it to rap more tired like I have got. Whether we do for the blueprints, generation you feel exuberance. Everybody love the roof for the nation, shit I like an extra and did nothing but shoot for the moon since. I'm just got to get to school with this music, cause I use it as a vehicle to bust the rhyme. Now in the school full of students. Me, I'm a proud of rock him, like him some bust to packin'. W.A. keep hey that cringe and easy, thank you, they got him. Inspired enough to when they grow up, blow up and be in a position to meet Run DMC, induct them into the motherfucking rockin'. Roll Hall of Fame, in the wall walking, it's such and bursting Hall of Fame, and Hall of Fame, I'll be inducted in the Alcohol of Fame. I'll do what I'm saying, you facting is all a game. Did a rocket flock of flames, off a plankin'. Tell me what in the fuck are you thinking? You're gay, little boy, so gay I could barely save the straight face, little boy. Even if you master cause like watching it just gather to take place, little boy. Oh, evaded boys, gay, that's all they say, little boy. You get a thumbs up back on the back and the way to go from 11 every day, little boy. Hey, little boy, what you say, little boy? Get a hey, yeah from day, little boy. I'm work for everything I had, never asked nobody to get out my face, little boy. Basically, boy, never gonna be capable to be keeping up with the same pace, little boy. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, not back, not. The way I'm racing around the track, I'm in NASCAR, NASCAR. Dead in heart of the trailer, park the white trash god, trash god. So once in a while, I wanna make sure so when this gets crash, I scrap and do enough rhymes to maybe try to help get some people through tough times. But I gotta give you a few punchlines just in case, cause even the unsigned rappers are hungry, looking at me like in lunchtime. I know they was done with once I was king of the underground, but I still rap on my own, my favorite man's ground, so I can't rhyme. So sometime when you come by, happy with the skin color of my, you get too big and it come trying to censor you like the one line. I say, oh, and I'm back with a man, the LP. Oh, when I try to say, I'll take 70s from Columbine. Put it more than light, a record for the 7, revolving the 99. Now it's time for you, check it out. Tula lâu dòng uy cha, nang tabangangol dòng auna liking ka na hekalo. Ay dananin na hung isay palakin na lasanin. Where the fuck am I supposed to look? Rap god sang hanggang so na hung kisay kit na lie. Ngay ka motherfucking dingku, do you think you're better than rap god? You got enough to say you could fucking rap faster than EMINEM RAP GOD. Now go cry to your mama, cause I'ma diss you with this rap god. And I fucking don't care what the motherfucker you are thinking, you are just a bitch, you're messing with the wrong guy. If so, why didn't you try some of this motherfucker? Sama lama do wanna use me, I'm a human. What I gotta do to get treat you, I'm superhuman. Ain't everything in a mirror, but so do anything you say, you can say enough for me that you be good to you. I'm supposed to think more than ever, demonstrating how to get a motherfucking audience. I feel like you think you never fit it in another hit, that's a forever waiting for the day you say I feel like they be celebrating, cause I know the way to get it motivating. I'm elevating music, you may elevate the music. Oh, he's too mainstream, but that's what they do when they get jealous, they confuse it. It's not hip-hop, it's pop, cause I found my elevated fusion. With rock, sakra, with dark, try to lose yourself and make a lose it. I don't know how to make song like that, I don't know what words to use. Let me know when it curse to you while repeating about the verses should be skirting. I'm a devoted heart in you. How many verses got a martyr to? Prove that if you were half as nice your song, you can sacrifice verses into. Okay, if you got enough, you can reply me. I'm waiting.